Alright, so Whizzer has been closed all seasons, undergoing system upgrades. Will reopen later this spring. I just saw the train rolling backwards in the station. And there's a crew up there. See the bright yellow shirt in the bottom corner. So I don't know what's happening, when it's going to open. Yeah, Whizzer backwards. All right. Yep, I hear the hydraulics going. I just heard something up there. Yeah, those kids shouldn't be in there. But yeah, there's activity up in the Whizzer station. I see the train on the tracks right there. Cool. Can't wait for this baby to open again.